Today, business, education, and health leaders meeting virtually, saying the Charleston area needs to act now to avoid the spread of COVID-19 falling completely out of control. News 2's Hanna Powers listened in and joins us live in this studio with the big takeaways. And Hannah, this meeting actually comes after some troubling statistics were revealed.
That's right, Carolyn. This week, Charleston County surpassed Greenville County and has the most COVID-19 cases in the state. Today, Lowcountry leaders across varied industry talked about the troubling statistics and what we can do to stop them from getting any worse.
Until as a nation we're able to develop and deploy an effective vaccine or have effective therapies for COVID-19, we're going to have to deal with this virus.
Dr. David Cole, president of MUSC, saying the virus isn't going anywhere, so we have to learn to live with it. And live with it means taking some personal responsibility.
Encourage people to make good choices.
One of the ways MUSC plans to do this in a world full of conflicting information about COVID-19 is with a new measurement system to simplify data. This graph measures the rate of infection in Charleston, and right now we're in code orange and could be closing in on a code red.
The number of COVID-19 infections has soared in our Charleston community, and likely the 4th of July weekend will only make it worse in the days ahead.
While healthcare workers have bore a brunt of the work during the virus, it's hard to find an industry that hasn't been touched by COVID-19.
I want to thank our hotels, our restaurants, our attractions, our retailers and other businesses for those folks who were making the investment to protect their staff.
Domestic airline travel down 95% from this time last year. Many bars and restaurants remain closed, and our children missed out on a quarter of their school year.
Our students have fallen behind academically. Many of them have lost traction in mathematics and reading. That's compounded by the fact that our most vulnerable students have fallen even further behind.
Leaders explained in the meeting, they say the things that make our city so great, the amazing restaurants, the social nature of Lowcountry natives, are working to our detriment during this pandemic. They added, just as we have come together in the past after terrible storms and tragedies, we need to come together now and take personal responsibility, keep wearing masks and social distancing. Reporting live in studio, I'm Hanna Powers. Count on 2.